And Indians are flocking in large numbers to the Suwaidi Park in Riyadh, where cultures of various countries are being showcased. Celebration to mark the Global Harmony initiative of Saudi Arabia is underway with particular focus on Indian culture. DD India's Munmun Bhattacharya spoke to an Indian family that resides in Riyadh while they were visiting Suwaidi Park. Take a listen.
Asmita, Rahul, Advait and Sanvika make an Indian family here in Riyadh. They have been working here, studying here in Riyadh. Let's speak to them about their impressions of the Suwaidi Park and especially Riyadh Season and Global Harmony initiative underway here. Let's talk to them. Well, what have been your impressions here, and tell us about for how many years have you been working here, and what is the change that you see over the years?
Yeah, we are working here since 8 years almost now, and change it is gradually transformed. Now we are staying near Suwaidi Park only, and since 3-4 years this Riyadh season is started, no, and we visit every winter. It's as we stay nearby. So gradually we have seen a lot of transformation here, and they have depicted Indian culture. There's different weeks: Indian week, Bangladeshi, Filipino, and like that, all nationality cultures. So it's like really global harmony.
Rahul ji, do you feel proud that the celebrations this year and last year also started with the India Week? So much focus being given and prominence being given to Indian culture by Saudi Arabian government.
Yeah, actually, to be honest, if you see the Saudi government is promoting a lot of things from India. Like they are promoting the Indian culture, they are hiring the Indian doctors, engineers and other workers also here. And we are here since last almost more than 8 years. We see a big transformation in Saudi Arabia. And really it's nice to see the Indian culture they are presenting here every year now since last 2 to 3 years. Really happy with these things up by the Saudi government.
Sanvika, do you come here often? And I can see a mehendi being put. Which design have you chosen?
It's a floral design.
Do you keep coming here every year with your parents?
Yeah, we often do come here.
How do you like the place?
It's really good.
She's also from India. Tell us about you. How has your experience been here? Since when are you putting up the stall? Where exactly are you from India?
I am from Mumbai, India, and my experience is very good for here and promote Indian works, henna, Indian clothes, anything promote here. I'm very happy.
Advait is here. Advait, and you're enjoying here?
Yes.
What do you enjoy the most?
Indian,
everything Indian. So there you can see that is the sentiment of patriotism and nationalism from India. With cameraman Pramod Negi, this is Munmun Bhattacharya from Riyadh for DD India.